Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter, that is third chapter in Maths B. The chapter is the straight line. The weightage of this chapter in IPE board exam is two 2 mark questions and one 4 mark question and one long question, that is 7 marks question. Total weightage is 2 2s are 4 marks and 4 1s are 4 marks, 7 1s are 7. Total marks are 15 marks from this chapter. Now, the chapter name is the straight line. Already we know what is the line in the previous classes. Once again, we recall the concepts. This is AB. This is called line segment AB. AB is a line segment, a rekha AB. If we extend both sides, the sides, then it will becomes a straight line. రేఖాఖండాన్ని రెండు వైపులా పొడిగించడం అనుకోండి, సో దట్ బికమ్స్ సరళ రేఖ అంటారు. స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఆర్ సరళ రేఖ, లైన్ ఆర్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఎక్స్టెండ్ line segment on both the sides, then line segment becomes straight line. This is a straight line. So we denote straight line AB as AB line, like this, AB line symbol. The general form of a line is AX plus BY plus C equals to 0. The general form of a line is AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0. Now next definition, slope. If a non-vertical line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then tan theta is called slope of that line. If a non-vertical line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, suppose this is x-axis and this has y-axis. This is origin x dash, this is y dash. Draw a non-vertical line. This is line, non-vertical line L. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ x axis తో కోణం చేస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ the line makes angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. ఈ లైన్ అనేది x axis తో చేసే కోణం theta. The line makes angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Then tan theta is called slope of this line. Tan theta is called slope of this line. ఈ లైన్ అనేది x axis తో theta కోణం చేస్తే tan theta ని మనం స్లోప్ అంటాం. Tan theta ని ఏమంటాం? స్లోప్. Generally slope is denoted by m. Slope ని m తో సూచిస్తాం మనం. Slope is denoted by m and that is slope m is equals to tan theta. The slope of x axis is 0. The slope of x axis is 0 because x axis దాంతో యాంగిల్ చేయదు కదా, యాంగిల్ 0 మేక్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఎనీ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద x axis makes 0 degrees with x axis. x axis పైన వేరే లైన్ డ్రా చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఇలా x axis ఎంత కోణం చేస్తుంది? 0 డిగ్రీ చేస్తుంది. సో అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? m equals to theta equals 0 కదా, tan 0 వాల్యూ 0, m is equals to 0. The slope of x axis is 0. అంటే x axis మీద లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తే అది x axis తో చేసే యాంగిల్ 0. అంటే స్లోప్ ఎలా ఫైండ్? m equals theta equals 0, m equals tan 0 వాల్యూ 0. Slope of x axis is 0. And slope of y axis is not defined. The slope of the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 is minus a by b. These are very important points. The slope of the line, this is the general form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. The slope of this line is minus a by b. If a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 are any 2 points, then slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Suppose we have any line segment AB or line AB. This point is x1 y1, A point is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. A point is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, Already we know this formula in 10th class. Slope of AP is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next point, if two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. That is, if m1 is the slope of, if m1 comma m2 are slopes of L1 and L2. Suppose this take this as L1 and this as L2. L1 comma L2 are slopes of m1 comma m2 are slopes of L1 and L2. Then two slopes are equal. Slope of L1 is equals to slope of L2. That is, m1 is equals to m2. If two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. Next, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of slopes is minus 1. If two lines are like this, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of slopes is minus 1. Product of slopes is minus 1. That is, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. m1 is the slope of L1. Take it as L1. It has L2. m1 is the slope of L1 and m2 is the slope of L2. Then m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. Product of slopes is minus 1. And last concept, if 3 points A, B, C are collinear, collinear means what? If they lie on the same line, suppose A here, B here and C is A here. If A, B, C lies in the same line, then these points are called collinear points. If 3 points A, B, C are collinear, they are lying on the same line, then slope of AB is equals to slope of this AB is equals to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. These are important concepts related to slopes. Here we can find slope by using 2 points. If they give 2 points, we can find the slope by using this formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the first one. If they give angle, we can find slope. If they give theta, we can find slope by using formula m is equals to tan theta. And if they give line like this, ax plus by plus c equals 0, we can find slope by using formula minus a by b. So we can find slopes by using 3 methods. First one is by using m equals tan theta. Second one is by using minus a by b. Third one is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Learn all these concepts perfectly to do exercise sums and example sums. Now, next concept, intercepts. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. If this line L cuts x-axis at one point, suppose this is A point and this is B point. Suppose this line cuts the x-axis at A point and cuts the y-axis at B point. We can write this A point, this point as A comma 0. ఈ పాయింట్ A, 0 రాస్తాం మనం. ఎందుకంటే y axis పాయింట్ 0 ఉంటుంది, y పాయింట్ 0 ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ x axis మీద. అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈ పాయింట్ రాస్తాం మనం 0, b రాస్తాం. 0, b. ఈ లైన్ అనేది x అక్షం ని A దగ్గర కట్ చేస్తుంది అండ్ y axis ని B దగ్గర కట్ చేస్తుంది. This A is called x-intercept. So therefore x-intercept is A. x-intercept A. y axis ఎక్కడ కట్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి, B దగ్గర y axis కట్ చేస్తుంది. Therefore this line cuts the y axis B point. Therefore B is called y-intercept. Y-intercept is B. X-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. Next we have different forms of straight line. First form is slope intercept form. అంటే మనకి స్లోప్ తెలిస్తే స్లోప్ అండ్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, మనం ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ చేయొచ్చు. స్లోప్ we need to find equation with slope and y-intercept. The equation of line with slope m and cutting of y-intercept is c. Cutting of y-intercept c is y is equals to mx plus c. అంటే మనకి స్లోప్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాండి. సపోజ్ ఇట్లా కట్ చేస్తుంది లైన్ ని, ఈ పాయింట్ తెలియదు, వి డోంట్ నో దిస్ పాయింట్, కానీ మనకి ఈ పాయింట్ తెలుసు. ఈ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే సి అంట 0 దిస్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ 0 సి దిస్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ సి సో we can take this point as 0 c ఈ సి అంటే ఏంటి y intercept is c and మనకి స్లోప్ తెలుసు దిస్ స్లోప్ ఏం ఇది స్లోప్ θ కదా అంటే m is tan θ అంటే మనకి స్లోప్ తెలుసు స్లోప్ ఏం తెలుసు మనకి y intercept తెలుసు y intercept is c we know the slope and y intercept so we can find equation by using this formula y is equals to mx plus c this is called slope intercept form here m is slope ఇక్కడ m అంటే m అంటే slope c అంటే intercept that's why we are taking slope intercept form y is equals to mx plus c okay na we know only y intercept we don't know x intercept we know only y intercept and slope next intercept form the equation of line which cuts non-zero intercepts a and b on the x-axis and the y-axis is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. This is called intercept form. Here a is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept. Suppose if you know the x-intercept and y-intercept, we can use this formula. This line cuts x-axis at a point and the y-axis b point. So this point is 0, b and this point has a, 0. This point. Suppose if you know x-intercept and y-intercept, we can find the equation by using this formula x by a plus y by b equals to 1. If you know x-intercept and y-intercept, here a is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept. Now next, find slope form. If you know one point and one slope, if you know slope and one point, we can find the equation by using this formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1 అంటే మనకు ఒక పాయింట్ డెఫినెట్ ఒక పాయింట్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి అండ్ స్లోప్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి ఓకేనా సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి this is x axis and y axis this is line suppose here x1 y1 any point x1 y1 and if you know theta means we can find slope. If you know slope and one point, if this line passes through one point, we can find the equation by using this formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here we are using one point, that is x1 y1, and we are using slope m. So it's called as point slope form. The equation is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Next, 2-point form. The equation of straight line passing through the points a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2 is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is called 2-point form. Here the line is passing through 2 points. The line is passing through 2 points a. This is a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. These are very important concepts. Definitely ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని వచ్చి ఉండాలి. టోటల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ very useful. ఇవి వస్తేనే రిమైనింగ్ సమ్స్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. So what is the first line equation of line? First 2-point form. 2-point form is if you know 2 points we can find the equation y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next 1-point form, point slope form. 1 point తెలిసి ఉండాలి and slope తెలిసి ఉండాలి definitely గా. That is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Next intercept form, if you know two intercepts, x intercept and y intercept, that is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Next in slope intercept form, one slope undali and one intercept, that is y is equals to mx plus c. Now exercise 3 of first bit. First question, find the slopes of the lines x plus y is equals 0 and x minus y is equals to 0. Now compare this equation with standard formula, that is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Compare with general formula ax, what is given, x plus y is equals to 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c equals 0. What is A? A is equals to x coefficient 1. Therefore, A is equals to 1. B is equals to y coefficient 1. C is equals to 0. What is the slope of this line general form? What is the slope of ax plus by plus c equals 0? Minus a by b. Slope equals to minus a by b. So substitute values, a value 1 minus 1 by b value 1 is equals to minus 1. Slope of line is minus 1. Slope of x plus y equals 0 is minus 1. General formula and the slope is minus a by b. Now second one, this one, x minus y is equals to 0. A is equals to what? A is equals to x coefficient 1. B is equals to minus 1 y coefficient. C is equals to 0. C is equals to 0. What is slope? Slope is minus a by b. Slope is minus a by b. Slope is equals to minus a by b. So substitute values, minus of a value 1 by b value minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled, plus 1. So slope is plus 1. Slope of x minus y equals 0 is 1. Slope of x minus y equals 0 is 1. And the equation form unte slope is directly minus a by b rayali. Second question, find the equation of the line containing the points 2, minus 3 and 0, minus 3. See here, we have 2 points. 2 points ఉన్నాయి చూడండి ఇక్కడ. 2, minus 3 ఒక point and 0, minus 3 ఒక point. అంటే required line అనేది points into these 2 points. This is a required line. Suppose take first point as A, 2, minus 3, and second point as B, B of 0, minus 3. This line passes through 2 points, 2, minus 3 and 0, minus 3. But 2 points తెలుసు కదా, so we have to apply 2-point formula. What is the 2-point form equation? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let us take, let A of 2, minus 3 and B of 0, minus 3. Now take this as x1 y1, first point as x1 y1 and second point as x2 y2. Second point as x2 y2. మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ కావాలి కదా, అంటే what is the equation formula? Your required equation is y minus y1 is equals to 2-point formula. 2 points into 2-point formula apply చేయాలి. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో వాల్యూస్ అన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. x1 y1 వాల్యూ and x2 y2 వాల్యూ. సో y minus y1, what is y1? Minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is equals to y2. y2 value ఏంటి? Minus 3 minus, ఇక్కడ minus ఉన్న minus రాయాలి. y1 minus 3. Minus 3 by x2. What is x2? 0. Minus x1 value 2 into x minus x1. What is x1? 2. Minus into minus plus, y plus 3 is equals to minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 by 0 minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2. Here plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled and 0 వస్తుంది మనకి. That is y plus 3 is equals to 0 by minus 2 into x minus 2. 0 by something అంటే 0 and 0 into something కూడా 0, total గా 0 అవుతుంది. Y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of line. Therefore, the equation of line is y plus 3 is equals to 0. Question లో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి మనకి 2 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయా, 1 పాయింట్ ఉందా, స్లోప్ ఉందా, ఇది ఉంది. So in the question given 2 points, find the equation of line passing through 2 points, passing through point A, B. So we have to apply 2-point formula. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the required equation of line. Do third question as homework, same model. Find the equation of line passing through 2 different points given. So do third question as homework. Now fourth question, find the angle which the straight line y is equals to root 3x minus 4 makes with the y axis. So what is given? Y is equals to root 3x minus 4. Y is equals to root 3x minus 4. Compare this equation with y is equals to mx plus c. Compare with y is equals to mx plus c. What is m value? M means slope. So m compare with y is equals to mx plus c. So m is equals to root 3 and c is equals to minus 4. That is y intercept. This is a slope intercept form. A slope intercept form. Y m is equals to root 3 and c is equals to minus 4. We know m is equals to tan theta. M is equals to tan theta. So m is equals to root 3 given. Now take a tan theta is equals to tan లో root 3 వాల్యూ ఏది వస్తుంది? ఏ రేషియోకి వస్తుంది? ఏ యాంగిల్ కి వస్తుంది మనకి? tan 60 degrees. Right, good. tan 60 degrees. tan 60 degrees. So theta is equals to the 60 degrees. Theta అంటే this 60 degrees makes with x axis. 60 degrees makes with x axis. మనకి ఇచ్చిన యాంగిల్ అనేది ఎక్కడ దేంతో యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది? విత్ x axis తో యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి మనకి? విత్ y axis కావాలి. సో x axis కి y axis టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మనకి? 90 degrees కదా? 90 degrees. సపోజ్ x axis తో 60 అంటే y axis ఎంత ఉండాలి మనకి యాంగిల్? ఇలా లైన్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 60 degrees అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 30 degrees ఉండాలి యాంగిల్. ఇక్కడ 30 degrees because 90 minus 60 is equals to 30 degrees. With x axis angle 60 and remaining ఎంత ఉండాలి? 90 వరకు 30 కావాలి. Therefore angle with y axis is equals to 90 minus 60 is equals to 30 degrees. Given line makes 30 degrees angle with y axis. X axis తో అంటే 60 ఇక్కడ అంటే డెఫినెట్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 30 కావాలి. టోటల్ 90 కదా? సో 60 30 అంటే 90 అవుతుంది. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ 2 marks క్వశ్చన్. ఫైండ్ ద కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద పాయింట్స్ a, 0, h, k and 0, b are collinear. Collinear means they lies on the same line. Let us take a point as a, 0 and b point as h, k and c point as 0, b. 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear means if they lies on the same line a, b, c. Lies on the same line. Already we know what is the collinear. If 3 points lies on the collinear, we know condition slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. Therefore, take the condition slope of AB is equals to slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. Slope of BC. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope m is equals to if you know 2 points, slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here we have to take a as x1 y1, b as x2 y2. Here we have to take b as x1 y1, c as x2 y2. y2 minus y1 and b first a b తీసుకోండి. y2 k minus y1 0, k minus 0 by x2 minus x1. x2 means h, x1 means a, h minus a is equals to right side bc. Slope of bc. Take b point as x1 y1, c point as x2 y2. y2 minus y1, b minus k by 0 minus h. 0 minus ఇది ఫార్ములా ప్లేస్ చేయండి. Slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. AB అంటే a point x1 y1 తీసుకోవాలి, b point x2 y2. BC అంటే x1 y1, this is x2 y2. K minus 0 k by h minus a is equals to b minus k అంటే b minus k by 0 minus h అంటే minus h. టోటల్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. k into minus h minus kh అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ is equals to b minus k into h minus a. b minus k into h minus a. So minus kh is equals to ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి b into h bh, b plus into minus minus ab minus k minus into plus minus k into h kh minus into minus plus k into a k. Now ఈ kh లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇస్తారండి ప్లస్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ kh ఉంది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మైనస్ kh ప్లస్ kh is equals to bh minus ab plus k రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి. సో ab లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇస్తారండి ప్లస్ ab అవుతుంది అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి bh plus ka is equals to ab. This is the condition. bh plus ka is equals to ab. This is the condition for polynomial of 3 points a comma 0 h comma k and 0 comma b. This is very important for 2 marks question. Now second bit, first one, find the slopes of the straight lines passing through the following pairs of points. We know given 2 points we have to find the slope by using formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First one solution of first one. What are the given points? Minus 3 comma 8 and 10 comma 5. 10 comma 5. Slope formula, slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Take first point as x1 y1, this as x1 y1 and second point as x2 y2. x2 y2. This as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Substitute values. Slope is equals to y2 value 5 minus y1 value 5 minus y1 value 8 by x2 minus x1. What is x2 value? 10 minus x1 value minus of minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 8 minus 3 by 10 minus 2 minus plus 3 minus 3 by 13. Slope of minus 3 comma 8 and 10 comma 5 is minus 3 by 13. So what is slope formula? Slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This point as x1 y1 first point and the second point as x2 y2. If you know 2 points we have to apply this formula to find slope. So next fourth one solution. Solution of fourth one. What is given point? Minus p comma q. First point x1 y1 and the second point q comma minus p, that is x2 y2. x2 y2. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope is equals to, substitute values, y2 అంటే minus p minus y1 అంటే q by x2 minus x1. x2 అంటే q minus x1 అంటే minus of p is equals to, ఈ టోటల్ నుండి మైనస్ కామన్ రాయండి. మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే రిమైనింగ్ p వస్తుంది. మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే బ్రాకెట్ లో ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది, మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. సో p plus q by minus into minus plus q plus p. p plus q by p plus q, both are same. రెండు సేమ్ కదా, can cancel. సో -1 ఉంటుంది. స్లోప్ is -1. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఉంటాయి. నేను ఫస్ట్ వన్ చేసిన అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ చేస్తున్నా. రిమైనింగ్ డూ సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్ యాజ్ హోంవర్క్. సేమ్ మోడల్ లో హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ 2 మార్క్స్. నేను ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని చెప్పిన సమ్స్ డెఫినెట్ గా ఫోకస్ చేయండి. అవి రిపీటెడ్ సమ్స్ ఉంటాయి ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x if the slope of the line passing through the point 2,5 and x,3 is 2. Given slope is 2. Given, let us take 2 points. Given slope is 2. Given points 2,5 and x,3. And what is given slope is 2. Slope is equals to 2. Slope is equals to 2. So what is slope formula? We know 2 points. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 points తెలిస్తే మనకి ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి. సో అప్లై ఫార్ములా x1 y1 x2 y2. So take it as x1 y1 and it has x2 y2. x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 3. So 3 minus y1 5 by x2 అంటే x minus x1 2 is equals to slope అనేది 2 తెలుసు మనకి. Slope is equals to given slope is equals to 2 is equals to 2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to 2. ఇది రైట్ సైడ్ సెట్ చేయండి, ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. సో minus 2 is equals to 2 into x minus 2. 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 4. ఈ minus 4 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి, ప్లస్ 4 అవుతుంది. సో 2x is equals to 4 minus 2. 2x is equals to 4 minus 2 2. x is equals to 2 రైట్ సైడ్ సెట్ చేయండి, 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are x is equals to 1. This is very important for 2 marks question. Now third question. This also very important. This is the most repeated 2 marks question in board exam. Find the value of y if the line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. Y will find చేయాలి. The line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7. ఒక లైన్ ఉంది మనకి, ఇది లైన్, సపోజ్ ఇది AB అనుకోండి, ఇది AB. A పాయింట్ ఫస్ట్ 3, y A పాయింట్ అనుకోండి, 3, y and B పాయింట్ 2, 7. ఇది లైన్ AB. Line AB is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. ఈ లైన్ అనేది ఇంకొక లైన్ ప్యారలల్ ఉంది. అంటే ప్యారలల్ అంటే సమాంతరం అమ్మా, సమాంతరం. రెండు లైన్లు ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే సమాంతరంగా ఉన్నాయి. సో it has C point, take it as C point minus 1, 4 and take it as D point 0, 6. A ని B ని కలిపే లైన్ అనేది C ని D ని కలిపే లైన్ కి సమాంతరంగా ఉన్నాయి. The line joining the points A and B is parallel to the line joining the point C, D. Therefore, we know condition. If two lines are parallel, then M slopes are equal. M1 is equals to M2. A condition మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. రెండు లైన్స్ సమాంతరం ఉంటే M1 is equals to M2. రెండు స్లోప్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి, సేమ్ స్లోప్ లో ఉంటాయి. So what are the given points? Let A is equals to, first point take A point 3, y, B point 2, 7. C is equals to minus 1, 4 and D is equals to 0, 6. Two lines are parallel. Therefore, two lines are parallel. Therefore, slopes are equal. That is M1 is equals to M2. M1 is the slope of first line AB and M2 is the slope of second line CD. M1 is equals to M2. Therefore, slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. Slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. Now take A point as x1, y1, B point as x2, y2. Next here, say take C point as x1, y1, D point as x2, y2. How to find slope? Slope formula, slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Find slope by using this formula. So what is given? Slope of AB అంటే A point x1, y1 అనుకోవాలి, B point x2, y2. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, y2 అంటే 7. So 7 minus y1 అంటే y. 7 minus y by x2 అంటే 2 minus x1 అంటే 3 is equals to right side same slope of CD కదా. C point x1, y1, D point x2, y2. D point x2, y2 అంటే 6 minus y1 అంటే 4. మీకు డౌట్ అనిపిస్తే ఇక్కడ రాయండి, కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ రాయండి. స్టార్టింగ్ అయినా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది డెఫినెట్ గా, ఇక్కడ రాయండి. వాట్ ఇస్ x1, y1, వాట్ ఇస్ x2, y2. ఇక్కడ కూడా రాయండి x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 వాట్ ఇస్ x2, 0 minus x1 of minus 1. ఇక్కడ minus 1 చూడండి, minus 1. 7 minus y by 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equals to 6 minus 4 2 by minus into minus plus 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 7 minus y is equals to ఈ minus 1 రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి ఇంటూ అవుతుంది అక్కడ -2/1 -2/1 అంటే -2 సో 7 minus y is equals to -2 ఈ 7 రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి minus y is equals to -2 minus 7 -2 minus 7 -9 so minus y is equals to -9 minus minus gets cancelled y is equals to 9. This is the value of y. Now third question is very important and second question also previous question that also very important for 2 marks.